In this video, you'll learn how to activate DNSSEC on Namecheap to add an extra layer of security to your domain. DNSSEC, which stands for Domain Name System Security Extensions, helps protect your visitors from being redirected to malicious or fake versions of your site by digitally signing your DNS records. Once it's set up, it works quietly in the background, but it's an important safeguard, especially if your domain is tied to anything sensitive like logins, payments, or personal data. To get started, first sign into your Namecheap account and head over to your main dashboard. This is the page you're taken to right after logging in, where you can see an overview of your account and the products you own. If you manage multiple domains, you'll want to make sure you're working on the right one, so take a quick moment to confirm the domain you intend to secure with DNSSEC. From the dashboard, look for the section labeled Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are displayed in a simple list format. Find the domain name you want to protect with DNSSEC. Once you've located it, you'll see a button or link labeled Manage next to that domain. Click Manage to open the detailed settings page for that specific domain. On the domain management page, you'll notice several tabs across the top, each controlling different aspects of your domain. To work with DNS-related features, you'll need to select the tab called Advanced DNS. Go ahead and click on Advanced DNS and wait for the page to load fully. This area gives you access to records like A, Caname, MX, and also the DNSSEC option we're interested in. Now scroll down the Advanced DNS page until you find a section labeled DNSSEC. It may be grouped with other DNS features, so move slowly to make sure you don't skip past it. DNSSEC is usually presented as a simple on or off control, often in the form of a toggle switch. If you don't see it, double check that your domain is using Namecheap's DNS services, since DNSSEC is typically available only when their DNS is active. Once you've located the DNSSEC section, turn it on by clicking the toggle so that it switches to the on position. When you do this, Namecheap will begin generating the digital signatures needed to secure your DNS records. There's no need to manually enter keys or technical data. The system handles all of that for you behind the scenes, which keeps the process straightforward even if you're not very familiar with DNS. After enabling the toggle, there is an important waiting period. It usually takes about 60 minutes for those digital signatures to be fully generated and applied across Namecheap's network. During this time, DNSSEC is being set up and propagated, but the change may not appear instantly in every tool or checker you use. This delay is normal, so try not to make repeated changes or toggle it off and back on, as that can slow things down. Once that hour or so has passed, your domain will be protected with DNSSEC at the DNS provider level. If your domain is connected to external services or custom DNS resolvers, you can verify that DNSSEC is active using online DNS check tools, but in most cases, simply enabling it in Namecheap and allowing time for propagation is all you need to do. That's all there is to it. You've successfully activated DNSSEC on Namecheap and taken a solid step toward making your domain more secure.